Hey guys, I am in Vegas and I am in the Horseshoe Hotel room 2587, so I'm literally all the way at the top. When you first walk in, these are the light switches, and to your left is the bathroom. It's a cute little bathroom. The towels and stuff is down here. Tissue is here. The sink. Some little toiletries, a mirror that you can bring out and adjust. So if you're gonna do your makeup and stuff, some wipes and stuff down here. It's a cute little vanity. The toilet and your shower. It has that little rainfall shower, so for all you black girls, this is the shower you're gonna get. You just pull it out. And it's very spacious in here. Very, very spacious. And it smells good too. So I'm just going to close that back up. And immediately to the right when you first walk in is the safe here. Some digital safe, your numbers with your passcode. Use the directions. You get some hangers and you get 2 extra pillows. You also have an iron and an ironing board in the back here. So that's cool. So I'm in like a connecting room, so I'm just going to keep that locked. This is the room. The room is very, very spacious. I'm in a king non-smoking room. It's very, very big. It's just me. So to the right we have TV, a coffee machine, how to make coffee. This is my key card, and it has Jack Binion steak. Has some little drawers here for storage. Also it has a little mini fridge here. And that's good because a lot of the mini fridges here in these luxury hotels in Vegas, you can't put anything in there because they have like their little mini bar. So this is the really big bed, and it has a foot bench thing here. You have more storage. This hotel is formerly known as Bally's, so they changed the name to the Horseshoe. I have a chair, a table that I can sit down, a whole couch here. This is my view. Like I said, I'm all the way on the 25th floor, all the way to the top. And I can see like the Ferris wheel thing right here if you look straight ahead. It's a little Ferris wheel thing that they charge, I think, $25 to go around. I might check it out, but I'm kind of scared. I'm very, very scared of heights. I can tell you that right now. It's the Flamingo Hotel. Yeah, this Flamingo Hotel right there. So this is how the parking lot looks. I didn't get a parking lot, a car. I caught an Uber. That's the little sphere thing that they have. I think it's not open yet, but they're going to start opening shows soon, so that should be nice. And you have like mountain views and stuff, so this is a really nice little spot. The link is over there. That's another hotel. And on this side, we have a desk, another mirror, a chair so you can do your work, a trash, and a Las Vegas magazine. Also have some USB chargers here in here. I think you have some on the, another charger on the lamp. The phone is over here. And this is more storage, more charge. So like I said, guys, this room is very, very big, and it's just me. And the AC is right here off the wall. I have it off right now, but I'm going to be turning it on soon. But yeah, so this is a very, very spacious room. Like, look at all this room. And I only paid for 5 days, 4 nights. I only paid $236. So if you need help booking a room, hit me up. I'm a travel agent, and I'm sure I can work out a deal. The email is down in the description box. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me, or you can leave a comment here, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. And this hotel is in the middle of the strip. So I'm in the middle of the strip for $236 total. Resort fee, everything else, everything is included in that price. So hit me up. Again, 5 day, 4 night, $226 in the middle of the strip. All the way at the top, a king non-smoking room. How good are you going to get with that? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, thumbs up this video. I'm trying to reach 15,000 by the end of the year. So guys, please subscribe and share and like the video. Oh, let me test out the bed. Oh yeah, it's comfortable. So yeah. So don't forget to share and like this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 15,000 by the end of the year. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.